Okay, hello and welcome everybody. Hello everyone. Good to see you. Volker, I cannot read. What is this? Russian? Greek? I don't know. Hello Pink Piggy, hello Daniel, hello everyone. Good to see you. We have live trading again. I'm back from vacation. Had a cold but good time in Germany. Now back in Cyprus. Everything is sunny again. And nice, great. Let's see to get all my settings here. Right. Okay. So we continue as always, as before the trading session, before my vacation, with a quick market check. On the economic calendar, today is the 23rd. We have Wednesday, and in 42 minutes, we have existing home sales half an hour after the stock market opening, and then crude oil inventories as next news. So we have half an hour time for calm and relaxed trading. Market is, I would say, not moving that much today, but the last days, look at the last days here in the NASDAQ in 50-minute chart. Wow, what an impulse in one or the other direction right after the opening. It was a little bit more volatile here and there. So volatility was higher the last days, and we had such a great move to trade. So let's take a look at the market. Oh, what is this? Everything is gone here. Everything is gone. Orion. So we have a more or less range-bound day. Currently a little bit above yesterday's value area high and point of control. Okay, moving at the upper end, and the question is if they can continue the rotation to the upside. If they rotate to the upside, the first target will be pre-market high 23,284, and then maybe here, if we can continue to the upside today, 23,348. So another 100 points above, and then of course further above new all-time highs. So this is what we're looking for. If we go below this low, especially this low, then we rotate to the lower end and finish the rotation like this. Rotational day, continue to the downside. So this will be the main question right in the open. Which direction is the preferred trading direction? Which one is it? Let's take a look at the overall, the other indices. Today we have sector rotation again going on like yesterday. Dow Jones higher 0.5%. You see this here, and S&P 500 0.4%. So S&P 500 is still in a bullish trend. Dow Jones as well, and NASDAQ is the lagging index. So this is a sign for sector rotation, quite unusual. Usually we have it the other way around, that the NASDAQ is the strongest one and the other ones are following. But it looks like we can buy the dip. Look at this candle. And we don't have a lot of volume today. yesterday. Sellers got trapped here. Yeah, looks like. Looks like they got trapped. We are in the range, trying to finish the range again, I think, the overall situation. Good. Okay. We have Anne. Hello, Anne. Good to see you. This is an English chat, English channel. You can also, of course, write in German, but I will answer in English. Whoa. Volatility spike to the upside 7 minutes before the open. Pretty unusual. See a colorful candle on the 1 minute chart. As long as this candle stays, this color stays, the move is to the upside. And we can search for long opportunities, guys and girls. Okay. It's a bit unusual, this movement before the open. I don't really like to open trades before the opening. And today is my first trading day after 2 weeks of not trading. So starting pretty blank without any feeling. But Hermaphrodites. Well, anyway. Focus on trading long. Yeah, we can trade long until the colors continues. I'm waiting a little bit. But this does not mean that I'm waiting, doesn't mean you should wait. Of course, we have more spikes. Look at these spikes. Oh yeah, they are pushing. Come on, guys. I think if this would not have been my first trading session after the vacation, I'm a little bit laid back today. I would open long trade here somewhere. Of course, trade small. Trade small. This is the most important thing. Also, earnings season is kicking in, starting. Let's see who's having earnings today. Oops, wrong link. So we have earnings today. I think it was Google and Tesla reporting earnings today or tomorrow. No, today. Today, after the stock market close, we have Google reporting earnings and Tesla. So 2 big players. Yeah, this will be a market mover, I guess, for next days. And then next week we have the bigger ones: Visa, Microsoft, Facebook, Meta, Apple, Amazon. So this week, this is the biggest earnings after the New York stock market opening today. We'll see how Tesla will miss expectations, I think. So 3 minutes to the open, and the move is still long. The move is still long, but they're trying to absorb it here. So we have the levels. First level is 23,284. 284. There we go. Early session high. And all the others, yeah, they made it already. Yesterday sell-off, big sell-off with the opening. So it makes sense to wait for the open. Look at this. We had upward rotation, and then with the opening. Also we have, yeah, makes sense to wait for the open. Okay, 1 more minute, and then we'll see. I'm still thinking of long trades, but if we come down and break the VWAP, we need to rethink this kind of thing, especially also when we break this 253, 250. ES looks very interesting. I think ES is long. Okay, reaction is bearish for now. Oh yes, it is bearish. Look at this. They are getting it. Okay, no trades for me here at this level. We are back at point of control now from today. And point of control from yesterday is at 213. This might be a target. We'll see how they move this price now. Yes, still continue short. Okay, coming back. Looking for short trades here. We'll see if they can continue or if they come back to a point of control. What a difficult scenario. Yes, trading short here. Target is 200. $200 is the target. Oh, come on, where's my target? 200. It's the first target. It was already hit. I was a little bit too late. So I put my stop to break even. My break even stop is at 217, got stopped out break even with a little profit. Because this move might be done here. Oh, we have a lot of volatility today. Okay. Nice. What a move. They are continuing short. Okay, my execution was not the best, and my taking profit also not, or my risk management need to work again after. It's always like this. When you do 2 weeks of not trading, trading is a skill. And if you do 2 weeks not trading, we need to get back into all this rhythm. I did on my meditation today, but we need to get a feeling for the market. So we have more volume here to the downside. I think they will come back again. Only if we break these highs. Oh, there we got them already. So sector rotation should bring the Dow Jones to new all-time highs, and the S&P and the NASDAQ should stay here at this level. This is what it is. Yeah, look at the Dow Jones. Dow Jones made this move to the upside, NASDAQ to the downside. This is what sector rotation is doing with the indices. Big market participants are moving their money from technology stocks to value stocks. Let's take a look at the ES. ES still in an upward rhythm until now. If we upholds, this will be okay. Is it by the dip environment again? Yes. 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 Okay. Now we can see if we get. Oh, long trades are done. I'm late today. I'm slow. See me? I'm slow. S&P has still some room to the upside. No aggressive market participants here. So I did one trade and got stopped out and have $3 on the list on profit. So break-even trade. I think I will watch today how things are going and only trade if we get if I see a very good opportunity. It's not crushing the market. It didn't went to the upside as I thought so. We had this sell-off like yesterday. Sell-off got bought for now. Yeah. Also, we need to know that now we are getting to August season, so summer period. Big market participants preparing for this period. Let's see when we have the next rollover. In September is the next rollover, 16th of September. So it's a bit of a time, but it will be very choppy in August, as last year, as all the years. August is the most choppiest month. So if you are here and you want to support the stream, please click the like button. I see 2 likes from 8 people. Would be pretty nice if you can do this. By this you will help and support the stream. YouTube will recognize that at least the 8 people who are watching send a like. Thank you a lot. Thanks a lot for your help. And of course we will grow, develop. The team's working really hard on the next release, on the next things, next steps, trading software. And we have a new version of indicator as a beta version. I got it today here at the upper left. This is the charts time frame minutes, 5, 15, 1 hour, 4 hour, and day, and then the bias and the minimum and maximum take profits. So this is more here for the bigger picture view. And there we see that there is, on the 1 hour time frame, there's still a target of 23,961 to the upside. Same in the 4 hour. So this feature is not yet available to all of you, but it will be released soon. Okay. Some more short traders are coming. Let's see if we get a breakout to the downside now here. Okay. Opened one short trade at 211, and the target is its previous lows. It's not going. No. Back in the range again. Yes. A bit of a choppy market today. Well, as always. I think I might leave this trade. Yes, go out, break even, a little bit in profit, very small. Just today is a no trading day for me. It's a watching day. Get the feeling to the markets, to break even trades for the statistic. It's all right. We have a lot of short volume in the 1 minute chart. In the 15-minute chart, it's long. Absorption here. But it can continue lower like yesterday. Look at this. Yesterday we had a similar situation. Yes. So who of you did some trades? Any of you had some profitable trades, is in a position? Would like to see your comments in the chat window. So from the overall picture, as long as the NQ made new all-time highs, and we had new all-time highs on Monday, everything is still bullish, and we can think about buying the dip from the overall perspective. Here on Monday we had new all-time highs. Yeah. So this is now the second day of correction. We can think of buying the dip. But the dip is not yet there. Okay. Oh yes, it's coming to my target. 188 was my target. There was it's hit with this short trade. Okay. Good. At least we were on the right side. So market is continuing to show weakness, new lows, and we see if we get this target here 169. I think it looks very good that we get it. The liquidity down there, this is the lows of yesterday. No, it's not lows. Yesterday's lows at 108. Even lower. There, 108. This is the early market, pre-market lows. We got the pre-market lows. Perfect. Market is short. Market is short. Nice, Pink Piggy, that you're trading the ES. Yes, ES is much more respectful and not so volatile as the NQ. That's good. So we have more colorful candles here coming in at the 1 minute chart. Looks like, for me, it looks like we might continue lower. No. Okay. So this impulse move is over. If you're still in a short, quit your short. Look at the last wave. We can easily go to this high levels of 227 again in this upward move now. And then there should come another short move. But as mentioned, I don't trade. I will just, maybe I do something. I switch my account to demo account. Yes, we'll do some demo trading. Maybe I should have done this before. Buy the dip. This is the buy the dip wave. And then we should see another short test, another test of the 180, 170. Somewhere in here. Maybe a little bit higher. Okay, we are on the practice on the demo account, and yes. So we should see another move to the upside now. Going again to the 210. Yes. Failed. Okay, short move is running. Should test the previous lows. The question is, was this already the short move and all the liquidity is out now? But I think it looks still short, and can still search for short opportunities. Should be a continuation here. This one, this previous low. One minute volume is the downside, 10-minute, 15-minute volume to the upside, declining. So yes, should be short. Let's take a look at the S. ES also has some more room to the downside. Just made new all-time highs in the early session. Oh yes, new all-time highs. They got sold. But then we should come back to new all-time highs. Trading view is so inconvenient. Oh, and we have a short gap. And we have news in 4 minutes. The move to the downside is continuing. We have new home sale, existing home sales in 4 minutes. Which it looks like might move the market lower to new lows. Okay, 2 more minutes to the news. Rotation is the downside, so only think about short trades in the NASDAQ. Volume is declining, and then somewhere we might see a fake here and a bottom building process. Only the news will push it really to the downside. Then of course we see a flush to yesterday's low, 23,109. So there we are at the previous lows. When are the new indicators coming from Alberterium? Which new indicators do you mean, Pritam? Which one do you mean? This is the main question. You mean the volume indicators? Or which one? We have this one here at the top left. This is in beta phase now with like the internal team testing, internal beta testing. Okay, it's not yet there, but we will develop it further. Anything related to SMC or volume? Well, what more do you need? We have SMC indicators a lot. The next big thing, what we're working on is a trading platform. We need to work with scanners, like with like a little bit with scanners and more complex things to see or to develop the next thing, and it's very difficult on TradingView. So the move is to our own trading platform, what the team is currently developing. The next one is this charts time frame, but as I said, I need to get this. I need to study this. So pre-market, what do we have here? The new home sales didn't move anything. Existing home sales didn't move anything. Yeah, nothing burger. Okay, the rotation is still to the downside. I think we can still trade. Well, this might be for now the lack of participation. We have it here. You see it. No color at this low, so this might be the bottom on the 1 minute chart, and this might be the reversal, but wait for the trend to turn. The trend turns above this 210, and then we can search for long trades again. Yeah, for now it might be a bottom building process, which is a bit volatile, and of course with new lows might be possible. Looks like everybody is gone potentially. Yes, everybody is gone. We have August also coming. I mean, like SMC, high probabilities OBs. Yes, this is what everybody is working on, but we need to work this, integrate this in the trading software. The team cannot do everything, and the trading software, once we have it, will bring us even more value than integrating more or developing more indicators which we need to do manually. So that's why we developed the trading software to the next, or to the final level. And then we have also a lot of automated and AI things with scanners, with high probability markets, high probability moves, where is the volume, all this kind of stuff will be integrated. And of course, you can help us and you can support us developing these kind of things, because it takes a lot of money by buying the lifetime version. Okay, with the lifetime version, let's take a quick look to lifetime. albatherium.com, pricing and plans. So with the lifetime version, of course, it's a chunk of money, but you will get lifetime access to all our indicators, all API access once it is developed, everything to the trading platform, to the scanners, everything. Of course, you will give us the upfront investment to develop these kind of things. We are on a good way to do it. And yes, we will, I'm very sure we will release it this year. At least the first version will be ready this year. And then there is a lot of new features to come, because when we have our own trading platform and our own trading like software, a lot more is easier to develop and to process than integrating everything in TradingView or any other platform. Yes, will the new platform be chargeable, as I am the existing lifetime premium member of Albatherium? Be chargeable? Yes, so if you are a lifetime member, you don't need to do anything. You will have access to all the new features once they are ready. Yes. Tell it to your friends that a lot of things are coming. Good. I think that's it for today. We are here now with 1 hour live stream. The drift is to the downside in the NASDAQ, but sector rotation is running. We have Dow Jones still strong, S&P also kind of strong. So I expect the market to stay in the range, to rotate a little bit higher here from the NASDAQ, stay in this bottom building process and somehow try to make it back to yesterday's point of control here for the NASDAQ, and maybe end the day with the red candle. Of course, if we see a lot of pressure, then the target is at 23,100, yesterday's lows, and then of course we clearly have a red candle, nice red candle. But now currently it looks like a bottom building process, like a little bit of stabilization, volatile, and then we need to watch the trend. Okay, here above this one, it's rotating higher. Thank you very much. Tomorrow we have another live trading session. Tomorrow again, 20 minutes, 10 to 20 minutes before the stock market opening, we have the next live stream. Thank you for your likes. I see 7 likes. And as always, wish you good, successful trading. Good luck. See you tomorrow.